So it came to my attention that a lot of broiler farmers tend to stress about the growth on broiler chickens. And in most of the time, you'll find them trying to get something to supplement the growth on their broiler chickens. So in today's video, I just want to share with you some of the tips that I use in my broiler farm to have a better growth on my broiler chicken. Number one, after each and every cycle, I clean my house properly and I let my house rest so that we don't have any viruses left from the previous cycle in the house. Number two, I always apply proper ventilation on my broiler houses. Number three, always try to get good quality chicks. If you get bad quality chicks, you always have a bad growth on your broiler chickens. Number four, always try to buy good quality feed. These things of people buying budget feed and expect that they will have a better growth in the broiler chicken is wrong. So you must always go for hybrid feed if you want your chicken to grow bigger and fast at the right time and in time. Number five, always apply ventilation in your house to maximize the bad smell in your house, which caused ammonia. It ended up causing viruses into your chicken house. So these are some of the tips that I can give you for a better growth in your broiler chicken. You guys must stop stressing about simply supplements that you need to have a better growth on the broiler chicken. Just buy proper feed, apply ventilation, buy proper chicks, do all these things that I just mentioned. You will have a good circle and you have a good growth on your broiler chickens. Remember to subscribe, share, comment, and like.